Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How long does an arrest warrant last? This is a question many people have, often hoping that a warrant will just fade away or expire after a certain number of years. The short, and most important, answer is this: an active arrest warrant in the United States does not expire. It essentially lasts forever until it is resolved. A warrant is a direct order from a court, signed by a judge, authorizing law enforcement to arrest the person named in it. Because it is a court order, it remains active and in effect until the person is brought before the court to address the underlying issue. It doesn't matter if the warrant is for a minor misdemeanor or a serious felony, the principle is the same. Now, it's important not to confuse an arrest warrant with a search warrant. Search warrants are very time-sensitive and typically must be executed within a few days to a couple of weeks. Arrest warrants have no such expiration date. Another point of confusion is the statute of limitations. The statute of limitations is the time limit the government has to file criminal charges against someone after a crime has been committed. However, once a warrant is issued based on those charges, it effectively stops the clock on the statute of limitations. The warrant remains valid indefinitely, even if decades pass. So, how does an old warrant stay active? It's entered into various state and national law enforcement databases, like the NCIC or National Crime Information Center. This means that any law enforcement officer in the country can see it. This is how people get caught years later for old warrants, often during a routine traffic stop for something as simple as a broken taillight. The officer runs your name, the warrant pops up, and you will be arrested on the spot. It can also cause problems when you're applying for a job that requires a background check, trying to get a professional license, or even when crossing the border. There are generally two main types of arrest warrants you should know about. First is a standard arrest warrant, which is issued after law enforcement presents evidence to a judge showing probable cause that you committed a crime. The second is a bench warrant, which is issued directly by a judge when a person fails to follow a court order, most commonly by not showing up for a scheduled court date. Both types remain active until they are cleared by the court. Ignoring a warrant is never a good idea, it will not go away on its own. The best course of action if you believe there might be a warrant out for your arrest is to contact a criminal defense attorney. An attorney can confidentially verify if a warrant exists, advise you on the charges, and help you arrange a way to turn yourself in under more controlled circumstances, which often leads to a better outcome than being unexpectedly arrested. To sum it up, arrest warrants are a serious legal matter that do not have an expiration date. They are a permanent court order until resolved. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful,